Greeting guys and welcome to RZ Easy Customizer. My name is Eizy and today I have a new thing to share with you guys. So I have a Plum here modeling supply. Plum is the brand of this kit here. Well, I got this for actually I bought this from a friend of mine. He went to Japan and got an extra, so I bought this set from him. The price is 432 yen, and for the serial number, you see the MS005 and MS006 here. So at the back we have some information about the glasses. We have actually 14 glasses here with different size, and also it comes with three different design here, as you guys can see. So this is actually the pictures from the net that I got, the first design, the second design, and also the third design here. So you have this piece, and this is what you will get. So I actually already cut some glasses here. There's a different sizes that you will get, and of course you will get the exact same size for the frame upscale Innocentia here. This is Ryuzu, by the way, and this is her sister. For the size here, actually you use not the smallest one, but in the medium scale one, and the rest are for the other scale. I think this is the medium one, and this is the non-scale one. So once you get this one, you will know which one for the frame upscale and which one is for the standard figure. Well, for the tools, I'm using this handrail, and also we have the metal files here, and this is just some side cutters to cut. So let me grab one of these. Because of the design of the frame upscale, you need to trim a bit for the front hairpiece, and also for the faceplate, just to fit everything so it go in very nicely inside the head like this one. This is the first attempt that I did for Ryuzu, and I trim it a bit bigger, just a little bit bigger, and compare with the second one that I did for her sister here, much better. So let me show you how to do this. First thing is, grab your metal file, or you can use your hand drill. Just make a small hole at the sides like this one. After a little bit of sanding, you will get this kind of result here. Make sure to sanding both sides very slowly. Take your time until you will get a perfect fit for the glasses hook to go inside the front hairpiece. Next is to trim the side hairpiece for the internal head. Make sure to mark the exact position for the glasses hooks to go inside the internal head piece. If you trim the internal head for the side hairpiece too much, don't worry, because you have the bangs, additional parts side to side can cover that one up, so it won't be a problem. after all the drilling and the sanding to make a proper hole for the glasses here. So these are the result. So actually from this set here, there's a two different design, which is this one here. This is a bit sharp and this one is a bit round, and the others are actually for the other scale. This is much bigger, but this one here fit well enough for the non-scale frame up skill. So let me just show you guys again. Focus, there you go. So you can see the difference of both style, design of glasses here. And this is the first one that I made, so I drill a bit bigger, a bit much, so it exposed much. But this one here that I already shown to you just now, and this is much better. I drill a bit smaller holes there, so it looks much better compared to the first one that I did. And yeah, this piece here can hide this hole here, so it won't be an issue for that. And that's all the tutorial on how to fit these Plum modeling supply for your frame up skill. I tried to mold this same set of glasses for the Mega Me device later on, and this is the only for the Kotobukiya frame up skill though. So that's all the tutorial for today.
That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, RZ Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on RZ Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.